Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Kidazzler. I'm going to do a quick review of it in case you are new and you're trying to find out if it is legitimate. This video should answer your questions. Okay, so basically I'm also going to be going over some payment proofs that I've received from Kidazzler. I'll show you my PayPal information. So what is Kidazzler? Alright, Kidazzler is a free parenting app or free parenting platform being built from the ground up in a whole new way. Okay, so what the opportunity that Kidazzler presents people is to join for free as contributing members. As a contributing member, and I'm one of those people, we go out and we find kid-related, kid-friendly businesses, and we add those to the directory. Very simple. Now, as time goes on, the difficulty will lie in a lot of those businesses have already been added by other people. But when you add a business, it's called locking in that business. That business is locked in under your account forever. So when and if that business decides to become a paying member to advertise on the Kidazzler directory, you get part of that revenue that business pays Kidazzler. Okay, it could be up to $10 or as low as $1 per month, but it's recurring. Okay, you do the work now, you benefit later. Now, Kidazzler has thousands of members now, and they are daily, their sales team is contacting as many businesses as they can to provide information about their advertising benefits and why businesses should and how they can benefit from advertising on the Kidazzler app. Now, currently, Kidazzler is only in the US and Canada, but later on, in 2019, they will be expanding to other countries. Okay, so let's go through this. All right. A platform that brings parents together to build one place for everything kids. A platform that will become the go-to parenting resource for everyone, everywhere, for free. So people could download the app. They could use the website for free. Businesses can advertise on Kidazzler. A platform that rewards everyone who contributes to its growth with a financial stake in what we're building together. You can read more about their mission. I'm not going to go into all that, but basically, it is an opportunity for people to make a recurring monthly residual income. And what I mean by that is you do the work now and you benefit later. Now, I joined Kidazzler back in, I believe, November of last year. I've added the businesses that I can add every month. They start out letting you add, I believe it was either 30 or 35 businesses to begin with, and then they allow you to add 5 more businesses starting on the 15th of each month. So it is June 5th. On June 15th, I'm going to go out to the internet and I'm going to locate and find and add 5 more businesses and lock those into my name. And when those businesses, if and when they decide to become paying members, I can make a residual income every month. Okay, so I have written a very extensive, a very extensive review about it. I hope you will take a look at it. I just updated it today. And I go through what is Kidazzler. Is Kidazzler a scam? Important updates. Kidazzler phase 1 and 2. Right now we're in phase 2. which means that Kidazzler is now contacting the businesses that members have added and pitching their advertising opportunities. Okay, so I hope you will take time to go out and read it thoroughly. I also have several videos that I've posted about it, so please check it out if you're interested. They're allowing people to join and invite other people until the end of July. So starting on August 1st, they will eliminate the invitation or referral part of it. People will still be able to join and add businesses, but they will not be able to invite people and build their downline. Okay, now what do I mean by downline? Let me go up there and... Okay. Alright, so this earning potential is really very high. I'll never reach that because they do cap it at 4,800. But once I reach the 4,800, then I have other opportunities within Kidazzler to make more money. Okay, so I'm going to let you see the breakdown. Okay, so earn up to 4,200. Alright, so these are businesses that I've added myself. I have a potential of making 650. Not all of these businesses are going to pay to advertise. Okay, and it's really important to understand that just because you add a business doesn't mean they're going to pay to advertise. Because in order for you to make money from Kidazzler, the businesses you add have to convert to paying advertising members. Okay, I can't stress that enough. The businesses you add have to convert to paying advertising members. Okay, so let's say 5 of these businesses decide to pay, then I would make $50 per month. But again, remember, that's $50 per month recurring, as long as those businesses pay to advertise. Okay, if it's 30 businesses, then it will be $300 per month recurring. Now, as you can see, businesses added by my friends. So people who I've invited have added over 6,000, over 6,900 businesses. Okay? And I have a potential for any of these businesses that become paying advertising members. I have a potential of making $2 per business. Okay? Now, for businesses added by friends of my friends, so these people who have added people or have invited people to join, those people have added over 6,400 businesses. And I have a potential of making $1 per business from them. Now, again, it is capped at $4,800. So there is no way that I'm going to make this, but I will get a percentage of that. Okay? I will get a percentage of it. Now, me and my downline have added over 13,000 businesses. Okay? Kidazzler has thousands of members at this point. Those members have added people. Those people have added people. So Kidazzler has tens of thousands of businesses that they are contacting. And it will take time. Okay, so although my income is very low right now from them, it will increase, but it will take time. Everyone must be patient. This is not an overnight income opportunity. And people like myself and many other members have been saying that all along. This is something where you put in the work, you build your downline, you get those businesses added, and then later on, you'll reap the benefits. Okay? So it might take a year before I really see anything significant. Okay? So far, only one of these businesses that were added is actually converted to a paying member. So I'm only getting $2 per month recurring, and that may, you could laugh, you could balk at it. That's fine. I really don't care, but it will grow because a percentage of these businesses will convert. Now, I don't know if it's going to be these businesses down there where I'll get $1, or these businesses here where I'll get $2 per business, or these businesses up here. That remains to be seen. But I have to be patient. I know it's a legitimate opportunity, and I know it will grow. Okay, now, one of the other things that I've really enjoyed about Kidazzler is that they have contests where people could actually win money. Okay? And you can see, here's a contest. Add 65 businesses. $10 prizes at 25. These are the people that have won. Invite 5 friends between these dates. Between May 27th and June 4th. These are the winners. Add 10 friends between May 27th and June 4th, and there I am, right here. That's my name, Lori Samples. I just won $50. Okay, and they've got more that go on to the end of this month, end of June. Okay, now let me show you some other contests. There's another contest that they had added that's already ended. March Madness contest. Kidazzler contest 1, where it was based on earning potential. Contest 2, winner circle for members earning potential of over 1,000. Okay, and there's my name again, Lori S, Georgia, US. I won $100 for having a earning potential of over $4,800. Okay, and here is another contest. It was a flash contest. Congratulations, Lori Samples. You won Kidazzler's $150 flash February giveaway for having the most friends joined. Okay, so I've won 3 contests totaling $300. I'm going to go out to my transactions. Okay, I'm going to refresh. This is my PayPal account. I'm going to refresh it so you can still see everything is still the same. This was one that I won on February 12th for having, I forgot which contest it was. Oh, for having the earning potential of 4,800. Let me go back to, okay, so there was that one. Okay, contest, 4,800 potential earning, bonus category. Okay, here's the one for 150. Let me go ahead and refresh that so you know I'm not playing around with the numbers. Okay, this is the February flash giveaway. Kidazzler member with the most friends joined, $150. Okay, now I'm still waiting on the latest transaction for $50 because I just received notification. I just sent in my information, and they will be sending it to me shortly. Here is the email that I received from Kidazzler about the $50, about me winning. There's my name right there. And I just sent them back this information so they know where to send it. All payments will be processed via PayPal or Venmo within 24 to 48 hours. So there you go. So I showed you the payment proof. So it is a legitimate opportunity. Okay? It's up to you whether you want to join or not. I will leave the information down in the description if you want to join. Please, if you do join, take the initiative to learn everything you can about Kidazzler. So when you are promoting it, you're being ethical, transparent, honest, and legitimate. Don't mislead people. Don't lie to people. Be honest. Because those are the only members that Kidazzler wants. And I wanted to show you, okay, this is what they wrote to us. Oops, that's not the right one. Let me go back. Okay, I found the message that they sent in their Kidazzler Elite Inner Circle, basically explaining what the platform is and what makes them different. And, you know, just sending out a message saying, hey, you know, if we see that you're complaining and all you want to do is just, you joined Kidazzler just with the sole intention of making money, then they're not going to approve your post, because your posts do have to be approved. Okay, so if you do join, make sure that you join their inner circle. There's a lot of good information out there aside from the blog and the Kidazzler website as well. But we are a community of parents. Not everybody is a parent. They might have nieces or nephews, or maybe, you know, a little brother or sister, or something like that, or maybe, you know, a friend, a close friend of a family. Okay, so go back, you know, if you do join, go through this and read it thoroughly. Okay, this group was created to be a united community. We're very patient and transparent, so please read the frequently asked questions. Each person has a right to ask questions, and we're more than happy to address them to explain what Kidazzler is and how Kidazzler works in order to set the correct expectations from the start. We get a lot of the same questions, and we do our best to point each person in the right direction. Having said that, we will no longer approve questions or comments that clearly tell us that someone joined strictly to make quick money. Okay, and there have been a number of people who have basically lost their Kidazzler membership or privileges because they were being so dishonest and misleading people in order to get them to join. Okay, so remember, if you do join Kidazzler and you do invite people, be honest. Let them know up front Kidazzler is not an immediate income opportunity. It is a shared revenue model. You do the work now, you benefit later. I can't explain it any more simpler than that. Okay, so I'll leave the links to my website where you can read it. You can read the information that I put. I hope you do, because it's a lot of good, helpful information. So please take advantage of it. I'll also leave a link to all the other videos that I've posted about Kidazzler. Please watch those. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can connect with me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. So I've been giving you a lot of different options to connect with me if you have questions and you want help. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Kidazzler is a legitimate opportunity. And anybody who says it's a scam, well, you know what? They're clueless. Absolutely clueless.